Take care, we have...
I am taking care,
No,
sir.
you're not.
I am. I saw you back there.
Like the clappers.
Like the clappers,
You were
15.
coming like the clappers.
Hey,
down,
sorry.
Even down
I'm not disrespecting.
bridle paths.
Diddly squat. Clarksons just sounded ripped off. Hopefully they don't meet anyone else with it. Whoa. Bridge. Today's plan of action is diddly squat. Here we come. But before we go there, I just want to mention a bit of bridle way rage I've just had. Crikey, just kept going and going at me. Anyway, that'd be first because that happened literally on my first section of the ride. Hello and thank you for joining us today on the Moto Machines channel. I'm out on the DIY giant mountain bike today. I probably said it in the intro, but well, thought what can I do? Diddly squat. It's not too far away. I know some routes to get there off-road, so thought I'd make the most of this weather and get out on the e-bike. I really enjoy this thing. I still can't decide which I prefer. But that doesn't matter, we're out, we got the twist grip today. Got to watch out for walkers and stuff. Oh, here's one. I just hope there's no bog patches along here. Pardon?
You've got to take care, we have...
I am taking care,
No,
sir.
you're not.
I am. I saw you back there.
Like the clappers.
Like the clappers,
You
15.
were coming like the clappers.
Hey,
down,
sorry.
Even down
I'm not disrespecting.
bridle paths. People on horseback have priority over those bloody machines.
What, a mountain bike?
Yes.
Oh, I
Have
thought
priority.
cycles.
You're not...
Yeah, and that's why I'm
You're allowed
clear.
on them, but
Okay.
you're not bad. But you've got to behave yourself.
Yeah, sorry.
You don't come towards people like that. It's
I
ignorant.
slowed down. Hey,
You
yeah,
didn't slow
yeah,
down,
okay.
you're big ignorant.
It's you lot who are the moaners, mate. You saw me. I wasn't doing anything erratic. It's just a grumpy. Oh well. Can't do a lot. Anyway, what was I saying? Hopefully there's no bog patches along here. I want to keep the bike clean and fresh. Geez man, some people think they own the place. It's public bridle way. Do they have the right of way over cyclists? I'm not so sure. I'm classed as a cyclist. Going like the clappers, what's he on about? Doesn't sound like me. Jeez, I think these are all people going to see diddly squat. Oh, listen to those boy races. Here we are then, if you hadn't guessed. Let's knock it down a cog. Should we have a little spin in there? No one behind. Oh my god. All to see that Clarkson. We can get in there. Diddly squat. Oh my days, look at this place. A little mooch around. See what's going on. Oh my god, this is silly. We have a cruise up here. Got my full helmet on. at the state of this car park. Oh my. This is like the busiest area I've sort of been. Let's keep away. I just want to spin around that gravel, but there's too many people. Can you see Clarkson the Moppet? Yeah, you see.
Go that way.
Again, one-way system. I'm getting out of here. Look at that, what a scene. I'm just cruising about. I'm not going like the clappers like someone accused me of. Let's just go see what anyone says. Hi. Wow, look at all this place. It's all smashed down and completely changed. It's going to be a nice property, isn't it? Wow. She didn't look too impressed, so I'm pretending I'm having a good gulp around. They've blocked everything off. I went around all those buildings once on the Saron as much as I could. Nice little lake here. Oh, they fenced all that off now. That was drained once and I rode through there. Now they've fenced it all off. Wow. Good job I made the most of it. Now, I'm just thinking, and that is actually, that bit of public rage at me was the first ever time I've had someone go at me like that. Literally, I've never had any trouble before, and the amount of places and areas I've been, it's really surprised me. That's why I'm only out for a leisurely stroll. So I thought I'd come out on the bike, you know, a bit bike sexual, you could say. I just ride anything really, and I enjoy it all. That knocking is my side stand. I do have a tie for it, but I can't be bothered. Like I said, I just don't know what I'm doing today. I'm just riding around. Well, since I've been to Diddley Squat and got shouted at. Have I got the camera on? I have. That was lucky. I mean, the way I saved it and that I got it on camera. Just tried moving my bike forward and I'd left it on. And I squashed my gonad on the seat and tie-up worked well. Bit of off-roading for the hub then. Let's pick up the pace. I'm not even sure it's track, to be fair. I'm just following the ruts. I got a rough idea. I should come out. I assume this is the way. Can't see any other tracks yet. There's a little arrow. I don't know which way though. I assume go this way. Follow these little tracks, yeah? Oof. This feels rough. I'm either just going to have to nail it across here or keep umming and ahhing. Oh, I want to watch that sheep shit. Don't want that all at my back. Yeah, let's have a couple of turns and that's something we like. Speed along this one maybe. I got different PSI in the tyres today. I got 38 in the rear and I put 28 in the front because it feels a bit squashy. It did, so I thought I'd put a little bit more in. God, I hate gates. Slows you down. Couldn't quite see what's happening there. That's the only thing about riding like this, you don't, that's what I enjoy. You're not sure what you're gonna come up against. See, look now, look at that. Doing like some gooseneck. You always have to be looking very far ahead on bikes. Hopefully they should be alright. Spotted. Hi. I want to go and have a look, see what they found. Oh. Bit of a bounce then, that back wheel coming up the lip. What is this? I'm not even exactly sure how this goes, tightened up then. Kind of something to sound like it ripped off. Ah, look at that. Oh dear me, that was lucky. I know what just came off. I got a little like canvas sleeve over that. I did. Gotcha. Not without scar though. I reckon I probably caught that with my ankles or something then when I was. Every man can't afford to do that again. Pivot turn. Oh, now we're back on a bit of a road or something. Thank you. Alright. Before I forget then, if you hadn't noticed, I've replaced that bag with this smaller one. It looks a lot better now. And I really like this controller. Being able to get the air. Oh, that's quite warm. About to get warmer. All strapped up. Whoa, bit there. Whoa, gravel. This looks nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bit rough. Can't look at the speedo. Hopefully we don't meet anyone else. Whoa. Bridge. So a few twisties here. Oh. Quite tight, can you like that? Oh, where's it go? Uh-oh, straw. That can be slippy as ice. That was rough there. Let's calm it down then. I can't believe I've been out for 14 plus miles and it's still showing 100% battery. That's not bad. It's been a bit of a collective day really. There's been quite a variety of things going on. Obviously I got a bit of road rage, then had a look up Diddley Squat, and I hit a few trails and did a bit of exploring and sightseeing. It's been actually an all-round good ride. I've enjoyed myself. That's what I like doing, and this electric bike is just another thing itself. Offers something else my petrol bikes don't. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this upload. Moto Machines out. Wow, this path's not very nice, is it? Should have had my gloves on. Told you, Johnny. Oh, I've got them. That's no good, is it? Should be wearing them. Ah, something I've completely forgot to mention. You've probably seen this. Well, just a horn really, an electronic horn. Not bad, is it?